Hi guys, welcome to Office Blokes React. I'm Office Bloke Dave.
I'm Office Bloke Mike.
Office Bloke Daz.
Collectively we are the Office Blokes.
Yeah.
It is true. Loads of you aren't subscribed, and it upsets us, doesn't it? It makes us really, really sad. About 63% at the moment, so pop down there, little subscribe for us. It means the world to us and cost you nothing. Simple as.
Yeah. Easy.
Yeah. Right, all planet sounds from space in our solar system.
I don't know what planet sound would what noise a planet would make.
Bit of a mushing. Don't need to watch the video now, is there?
Imagine if one had rave music coming from it, proper acid. Yeah.
Maybe.
Or even make a song out of it. All the different sounds, mix them all together and make a song. You'd be number one at Christmas.
Yeah, absolutely.
Things everything that exists has resonant frequencies, so it's probably just going to be a hum or a buzz, at certain frequencies, dependent on size and mass and all that sort of stuff.
Let's see then.
Just to get boring, or maybe it'll be
before I fall asleep. Let's watch it.
maybe it'll be.
This might see you off then.
It might be dolphin noises. You might just do that.
High pitched squeals.
Yeah. Let's get into it. So, all planet sounds from space in our solar system. That's a weird one, isn't it?
You can make a tune to that, you see. The guitarist is getting ready.
Yeah, it's a bit of feedback, isn't it?
It's proper weird frequency though. It's making me feel like
That'll do.
They should play that in things like arrival lounges at the airport, so if we can get rid of people quicker. Turn that on full volume.
It'd soon see people off that, wouldn't it? Yeah, go try to figure that one.
There's a theory, I don't know if it's been debunked or not, that there's such a thing called the brown note. And if you match it's exactly what you think. It's if you can match the body's resonant frequency, which is like 8 hertz, I think it is, and blast it loud enough through speakers that are capable of it, it makes people shit themselves. And it's like a thing that legitimate scientists are trying to do.
Why would you want to do it?
No, I don't think any scientists are watching now.
Let's give some laxatives. There's a much easier way to do it.
It's the brown sciences. But no, it's a legit thing, and that was making me feel uneasy.
Oh, that was, yeah. It's going right through you.
I like that sound.
I wasn't keen on that one. It's a bit, unsettling.
I know what's put in my office then when you two come in.
Just
sit there.
See ya.
Sounds like someone breathing, doesn't it?
It's a bit, doesn't it? Yeah, scary movie.
It's crazy when you look at how many collisions there's been now, and then you think about Earth and they're happening.
Yeah.
That's just a didgeridoo.
Yeah, isn't it? Yeah. You doing a Rolf Harris impression there?
Not at all.
That's when the purge is starting on Venus.
Traffic.
Sounds like High Street sale somewhere, doesn't it? A town near you.
Move out of the way, you fucking dumbass.
I was going to repeat what you said yesterday.
I know.
I remember that on purpose there. I'd love to know how this is measured or recorded or,
Yeah.
odd-looking planet, Jupiter, isn't it?
Very much so.
It looks cool. I like it. Sounds good too.
The next train will be arriving in part 15. That's what that is. It sounds like a train pulling into a station, doesn't it?
You know, it started off like a train pulling in, and then it started developing into screams.
Scream, yeah. It sounds cold, that.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, bit of a sort of an icy, blasty type of sort of visions it brings out, doesn't it?
Yeah, it just sounds cold.
Yeah.
Made me shiver a little bit.
You don't think it's just someone called Derek in his basement with a synthesizer and some sort of sound machine, just messing with our minds. I don't know. It just seems like a thing Derek would do.
He's just taking some acid and he's like plugging in synthesizers to each other, and it's like, it's Mars, man.
Yeah.
It's just
Doesn't this sound like Jupiter to you?
Yeah. So put out a video, they'll never know. People will still watch it.
That definitely.
Yeah.
And now horrific screams and nightmares. Spaceship landing.
Yeah. See, that's a cool looking planet though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that is brilliant, yeah.
Blue, that, isn't it?
Yeah. Cold again, isn't it? Another cold one.
Stinks as well.
Yours, mate.
I've been dying to make a joke all the time.
It's like a sad planet, that.
We'll always have Neptune, though. Squeaky brakes again.
They look cool.
Yeah.
What would happen if the moon was only 1 kilometre away from Earth? Europeans would love it.
That's a cool sound, that.
That is. That's good. Yeah.
Someone needs to make a
like
song.
Yeah, they can definitely a song in there, isn't there?
Yeah,
Or a
you could do all sorts of that.
Yeah.
Do a bit of sampling, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Just
Definitely.
using all of the planets they did there, mixing them together somehow.
Wouldn't it be great though if was it Venus or Jupiter with the rings round, the rings of Jupiter, isn't it? If they had that round the Earth, it'd look amazing.
Saturn.
Hey?
Saturn.
Saturn, is it?
Yeah.
Saturn, yeah.
Do you remember
That'd look
Rings
great.
of Saturn? Alien metal. We reacted to them about a year ago.
Oh, you're right, yeah, we did. Yeah. I thought it was rings of Jupiter.
No.
It's drops of Jupiter, rings of Saturn.
It was
Yeah, that's
interesting.
different.
I like that. I enjoyed that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
More than I thought I would.
It's bizarre, the things we watch.
Yeah.
As soon as Uranus came up,
You couldn't resist it, could you?
I was just sat there grinning the whole time. I've got to say something. Got to lower the tone.
No, that was cool, that. Enjoyed it.
Got to say some millennial
That was
nonsense.
a
Absolutely.
recommendation in one of the comments section.
Really?
Oh, right.
Yeah.
It was good.
So-
It was, to be fair, I like the space stuff that we do. I think it's quite a
It's
dry,
really interesting.
it's quite a dry topic when you're in school space, but I think because you don't have the visuals and everything, like there's YouTube videos out there that if you show kids,
No, it's
I think
amazing
it-
now,
it
some of the stuff.
yeah,
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 definitely.
the visuals you get nowadays, nothing like when we were at school, Mike. You know, it was like a paper mache ball,
Nothing.
wasn't it?
If you were lucky.
Made
yeah.
your own, wasn't it?
Absolutely, yeah. But we had nothing like that. But I mean, I'm so interested in it now. Since I left school and got a bit older, it's something I've gone back to. And yeah, it's so interesting.
Yeah.
Space and stuff like that. It's amazing.
nice,
Mind
Good
blowing.
stuff. Yeah, thanks for the recommendation. Hope you guys enjoyed it too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Cheers.